Hi guys, good day. It's me, Teacher MJ. Our topic for today class, it's all about dividing polynomials. So without further ado, let's do this topic. Now this is already part 2 of our video class. The part 1 of our video, we actually solved this one class. So if you want to learn more about this part 1 class, I will just put the link on the description down below. Now this is actually requested from our students and our subscribers in Facebook and YouTube. I would like to give thanks and shout out to them. This answer is for your class. Once again, class, if this video helps, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start. Now, first thing that you need to do, class, you check the degree if it's arranged. Yup, we have x raised to the power 5, x raised to the power 4, x cubed, x squared, x. So we don't have the constant. Alright, and this will be our divisor. So let me copy this one. We have 4x raised to the power 5 minus 25x raised to the power 4 plus 40x cubed plus 3x squared minus 18x. So you can write 0 class for the constant. That's okay. Plus 0. Or let's leave it as blank class. That's okay class. So plus 0 or leave it as blank. And then our divisor x squared minus 6x plus 9. Alright, so first thing to do class is you divide the leading term by the first term. So 4x raised to the power 5 divide x squared. So understood that there's one here. For the variable, once again class, if you didn't see any number beside x squared, understood that there's one here. So 4 divided by 1, that's 4. X raised to the power 5 divided by x squared, same base, same x, copy x, you subtract the exponent class. 5 minus 2, that's 3. So once again class, if you're dividing class, literal coefficient, algebra expression, simply copy the base, copy x, then you subtract the exponent. That's x raised to the power 5 minus 2. And that would be x raised to the power of 3, x cubed. Alright, so our answer is 4x cubed. Now your answer class, you align it on x cubed. So 4x cubed, you align your answer here. So that would be 4x cubed. Alright, and once you get your answer class, you multiply class. You do it reverse. A while ago, we divide the leading term by this first term. The next class is you do it reverse, you multiply. 4x cubed times x squared. So that would be 4x raised to the power of 5. Once again, 4x cubed times x squared. So 4 times, understood that there's 1 here. 4 times 1 is 4. Now, if you're multiplying literal coefficients, same base, same x, copy x, then you add the exponent class, 3 plus 2. A while ago, class, when we're dividing, we subtract the exponent. If we are multiplying class, we need to add the exponent. So that would be 4x raised to the power of 5. So 4x cubed times x squared, that would be 4x raised to the power of 5. 4x cubed times negative 6x. So 4x cubed times negative 6x. So 4 times negative 6, that's negative 24. X cubed times x, that would be x raised to the power of 4. Understood that there's 1 here. So 3 plus 1, that's 4. So our answer is negative 24x raised to the power of 4. So where will we align that one class? That's correct. You align at x raised to the power of 4. You align it here class with x raised to the power of 4. So negative 24x raised to the power of 4. Alright, and then this one, 4x cubed multiplied by 9. So the answer is positive 4 times 9, that's 36. Then copy x cubed. X cubed. Alright, and then you subtract this one class, you put parentheses. Alright, and then minus, so once again class, rules in subtracting polynomials or integers. You change the sign of the subtrahend, then you proceed to addition. So, this is plus, it becomes minus. This is minus, this becomes addition. And this is positive 4x raised to the power of 5, it becomes negative 4x raised to the power of 5. Alright, and then we change the operation. This is minus, it becomes plus. It becomes addition class. Alright, and then you combine class. So once again, we can cancel this out. 4x raised to the power of 5 plus negative 4x raised to the power of 5. We can cancel this out. Alright, and then this one class, negative 25x raised to the power of 4. Once again, this is minus a while ago. We changed the sign of the subtrahend. So this is minus, this becomes addition. So that would be plus 24x raised to the power of 4. Do not forget that rule class. Always change the sign of the subtrahend, then you proceed to addition. So this is minus, this becomes plus. So negative 25x raised to the power of 4 combined with positive 24x raised to the power of 4. Once again class, if the signs are not the same, you subtract. and then you copy the sign of the larger number. We have negative 25, positive 24, 25 minus 24, that's 1. Now 25 is greater than 24, so we copy negative sign. Negative 1, then simply copy x raised to the power of 4. If they have the same literal coefficient, simply copy x raised to the power of 4 class. Alright, so this is negative 1 x raised to the power of 4. Alright, so this is negative 1 x raised to the power of 4. Once again class, we can erase 1, understood that there's 1 here. So negative x raised to the power of 4, understood that there's 1 here class. We can erase 1. And this one class, positive 40 x cubed combined, this is positive a while ago, it becomes negative, minus 36 x cubed. So unlike sign, subtract, 40 minus 36 is 4. And then copy positive, so there will be positive 4, then x cubed. So plus 4x cubed. Alright, and then bring down this one class. So bring down 3x squared. So plus 3x squared. Alright, and then divide this one class. Negative x raised to the power of 4 divided by x squared. So negative x raised to the power of 4 divided by x squared. So once again class, understood that there's 1 here. So you can put 1 there, that's okay. Negative 1 divide by 1, that's negative 1. And then copy x. Once again, if you're dividing, subtract the exponent. 4 minus 2, that's 2. So that would be negative 1x squared, or we can write it negative x squared. That's the same class. Negative 1x squared is just the same with negative x squared. Understood that there's 1 here, class. Okay, understood that there's 1 here. Alright, so once you divide the leading term by the first term, you do it reverse class. You multiply. Negative x squared multiplied by positive x squared, that would be negative x raised to the power of 4. So negative x squared times x squared. So negative times positive is negative. X squared times x squared, that would be x raised to the power of 4. And negative x squared times negative 6x, negative x squared times negative 6x. So negative times negative is positive. Then copy 6. 6 times, understood that there's 1 here. 6 times 1 is 6. X squared times x, that is x cubed. Once again class, understood that there's 1 here. Negative 1 times negative 6, that's positive 6. X squared times x, that would be x cubed. So that would be plus 6x cubed. Plus 6x cubed. And then negative x squared times positive 9. Negative x squared times positive 9, that would be negative 9x squared. Negative 9x squared. Alright, so simple as that class. Once again class, you do it step by step class. You put parentheses, and then you change the sign of the subtrahend, then you proceed to addition. So once again, this equation minus this equation, you put parentheses, and then we need to change the sign. So this is negative, this becomes positive. This is positive, this becomes negative. This is negative, this becomes positive. Alright, so negative x raised to the power of 4, and then you change the sign class. Negative, this becomes positive. Alright, and then we change its sign. This is minus, this becomes plus. Proceed to addition class. So negative x raised to the power of 4 plus positive x raised to the power of 4. We can cancel this out. And then this one class, positive 4x cubed minus 6x cubed. So the addition, it becomes minus. Of course, unlike signs, positive 4x cubed. Then minus 6x cubed. If the signs are not the same, you subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. Copy the sign, that would be negative 2 because 6 is greater than 4. Unlike sign, subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. Copy negative sign because 6 is greater than 4. So negative 2, copy x cubed. Alright, so negative 2x cubed. And this one class, positive 3x plus 9x squared. So this is minus a while ago, it becomes addition. So 3x plus 9x squared, that would be positive 12x squared. Alright, and then bring down. So you bring down negative 18x. Almost done class. And we're all set. Last one. Divide. So negative 2x cubed divide x squared. Negative 2x cubed divide x squared. So negative 2 divided by 1, understood that there's 1 here. Negative 2 divided by 1, that's negative 2. x cubed divided by x squared, that is x. So negative 2x. And then you multiply, class. So negative 2x times x squared, that would be negative 2x cubed. Negative 2x cubed. So once again, negative 2x times x squared, that would be negative 2x cubed. And then negative 2x times negative 6x, negative 2x times negative 6x. So negative 2x times negative 6x, negative 2 times negative 6, that's positive 12. Same signs, that would be positive. Negative times negative is positive. X times x, that is x squared. So this is positive 12x squared. And then negative 2x times positive 9. So negative 2 times 9, negative times positive is negative. 2 times 9 is 18. Then copy x. Negative 2x times 9, that would be negative 18x. So once again, class, be careful with this one, class. You need to do it, class, step by step, especially, class, for the signs. Be careful with the signs, class. Alright, so this equation, we subtract by this equation. So we put parentheses and then minus. Once again, the rule there, you change the sign of the subtrahend. You change the sign. And then you proceed to addition. So this becomes addition. We change the sign. This is minus. This becomes plus. This is plus. This becomes minus. This is minus. This becomes plus. Alright, and then combine this one. Negative 2x cubed plus 2x cubed. So we can cancel this out. 12x squared minus 12x squared. We can cancel this out. Negative 18x plus positive 18x. Okay, negative 18x plus positive 18x. We can cancel this out. And that would be 0. We don't have the remainder, class. That's it, class. All set. So this will be our answer, class. All set. 4x cubed minus x squared minus 2x. Alright, so I hope you learned something new today, class. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You share it to your friends and to your classmates so that we can help more students. Once again, class, this is Teacher MJ. Have a great day, class. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.